What's up YouTube, welcome back to another video. So today we'll be unboxing the all new OnePlus 7T, and this entire video is shot using the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro. We have with us is the OnePlus 7T in frosted silver color. It's running Snapdragon 855 Plus processor with 8GB RAM and 128GB storage. Let's unbox the phone and see what's inside the box. Once the box is opened, we are greeted with some paperwork which includes OnePlus stickers, user manual and so on. Under the paperwork, you will be able to find the phone. We'll take a closer look at the phone later, so for now, let's just keep it aside. And then we have a silicone case which has a frost finish to it, and I'm glad OnePlus added a case in the box. We have a Type-C OnePlus charging cable, and OnePlus has also introduced their new Warp Charger 30T. It can roughly charge the phone up to 70% in half hour, which is pretty impressive. And finally, a SIM ejector tool, and I'm not sure why it is just lying around there. Let's try on the silicone case which came along with the OnePlus phone. Even with the case on, the phone feels very light and easy to use. It also has these edges which will protect the screen from cracking during a fall. And now, comparing the phone side by side with the iPhone 11 Pro, I am surprised that the 7T feels lighter, though it is bigger than the iPhone. But the weight in iPhone is due to the stainless steel frame, whereas the OnePlus has aluminum frame. Also, OnePlus has 6.5-inch display, whereas the iPhone 11 Pro has 5.8-inch display. Even when compared to the iPhone 11, the OnePlus 7T feels lighter, though both the phones are having aluminum frame. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned for more such videos. This is Jeffy. See you in the next one.